This step-by-step service tutorial will guide you through the removal and installation of the Danfoss Turbocor soft start board. Safety precautions must be observed during installation, startup, and service of the compressor due to the presence of pressure and voltage hazards. Only qualified and trained personnel should install, start up, and service Danfoss Turbocor compressors. Before performing any service on a Danfoss Turbocor compressor, electrical power must be isolated. Turn off the mains input power to the compressor and lock out, tag out the mains disconnect. Confirm that the AC voltage is isolated. Wait at least 20 minutes for the DC bus capacitors to discharge. Remove the top cover, taking particular care not to touch any components underneath. Then, using an appropriately rated voltage meter, check the DC bus bars for DC voltage level. If the voltage is above 5 volts DC, wait 5 minutes and recheck until voltage is below 5 volts DC. First, disconnect the soft start ground wire by removing the nuts and mains input ground wire from the ground post on the compressor housing. Remove the screws that secure the mounting bracket to the compressor. Lift the soft start and turn it over, placing it board side up on the AC bus bars. Unplug the cable connectors from the soft start board. Place the soft start board side up on the AC bus bars. Install the cable connectors to the soft start board. Turn the board over in position above the motor bus bars. Using the provided fasteners, secure the mounting bracket to the compressor. Tighten to 5 Newton meters or 3.6 foot-pounds. Connect the soft start ground wire to the compressor ground post. Tighten the nut to 7 Newton meters or 5 foot-pounds. Connect the mains input ground to the compressor ground post. Tighten to 15 Newton meters or 11 foot-pounds. Reinstall the top cover and the mains input cover. This concludes the Danfoss Turbocor soft start board removal and installation presentation. For more information on Danfoss Turbocor products and service documentation, please visit us online at turbocor.com.